Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to use Polarsteps. Open your web browser and go to the Polarsteps website. If you already have a Polarsteps account, click on Login and enter your credentials. If you are new to Polarsteps, click on Sign Up to create an account using your email or Facebook. Once logged in, you will see your trips displayed on the dashboard. Click on a trip to view its details, including the map of your journey, photos, and stories. You can edit trip details, such as the title, description, and cover photo. Add or remove photos, update your itinerary, and edit stories associated with each location. Polarsteps on the web allows you to share your trips via social media or with friends and family. Browse through other users' trips for inspiration by clicking on Explore or searching for specific destinations. Changes made on the web version will sync with your Polarsteps mobile app if you have it installed on your phone. Note that some features like real-time GPS tracking are primarily available on the mobile app due to its reliance on GPS data from your phone. Polarsteps on the web is useful for viewing and managing your travel logs. But for active tracking and real-time updates, the mobile app remains the primary tool. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.